The Sea Otter Classic, April 19th through 26th. Wait, that's today! What the heck? Well, good morning. I just arrived at Sea Otter. The place is supposed to open at 9 and it's not even 7:30 and it is packed. I was thinking I was getting here kind of early and I would get a good parking spot, but it doesn't look like that's going to be happening. Well, I finally found a good parking spot amongst all of the other cars over here. Pretty foggy out, as you can tell. I didn't sign up for any races or anything, so just over here to hang out, I guess.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me. Drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared.
Well, I'm taking a little break from being outside, seeing as I've been outside for about 4 hours now, walking around. Got a whole bunch of stickers and stuff, so I'm gonna stick them on this door because I want to, I guess. So I'm leaving Sea Otter now. Really wish I had made some better plans and planned on doing some races, but I did have some other plans for this weekend and didn't find out that I would be able to come here until a couple days ago. So kind of a last minute thing. I definitely don't regret coming at all, but it would be a little bit more fun if I had planned on doing some of the races and other events. I'm on my way now to do a little bit of mountain bike riding around the Laguna Seca area on some new trails. I know you guys are getting tired of seeing mountain biking and running every single weekend, so I'm not going to put too much footage of that in there, but I will put a little bit just so you can get an idea of what was happening.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me. Drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
Well, that went by pretty quick. About an hour and a half of riding, 9 miles, 1,700 feet of climbing. Overall, really good ride. Kind of went up a fire road and then down some really nice trails next to a stream. Nice single track the whole way. Had some pretty cool little jumps over ravines and such. Definitely one of the top trails I've ridden out here in California. I'm on my way back to Shafter right now. Still don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, but that's what I'm going to be figuring out on my way back to Shafter. Got a little over an hour drive left, so should be getting back right before dark. Also, the reason why I haven't been making driving montages is just because my windshield is so dirty and I cannot keep it clean. I clean it all the time and I still hit every single bug. So it just turns out looking terrible. Well, just like I said, made it home right before the sunset. So I'm gonna go make a little time lapse, and this is for you, Steven. Good morning, weekenders. I got a little bit of a surprise for you guys today, and hopefully this will make at least one of you happy, because today I am going to ride bikes, but It's a road bike. So before you guys go skipping ahead in the video thinking, man, this is a boring road bike ride, wait till you see how I'm gonna get there. Oh, wow. I guess I better take care of this first. I don't know why I keep doing that, just leaving my truck till it gets completely out of gas. It's really not fun, because then I can't even fill it all the way up because the gas pump stops you at $100. But enough about that. This is how I'm getting to the road bike ride. Well, I guess today is just out of gas Sunday. Shafter traffic, Cessna 12650, departing runway 35 Shafter.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
Great flight over here. Unfortunately, I seem to have forgotten my cash to buy a lunch after this ride. And I also seem to have forgotten my water bottle. So, don't know if I'm gonna make the full thing, but I'm gonna go as far as I can.
Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why.
Well, I'm climbing out of Lake Isabella right now, just over top of the edge of the lake. Had a pretty decent ride, I guess. My goal was to get to the top of that mountain out there, and that did not happen. For one, because I did not have any water with me, and also because it was a very steep mountain, much steeper than I thought it would be. I've driven up it twice, and it didn't seem that steep, and it is very steep, so I'll have to come back another time, a little bit more prepared, and try and conquer the mountain. Actually, I know exactly what I need to do to conquer the mountain. So I had this little baby 1123 on here, and now I have on an 1125, so that should help me a pretty good bit to get up the mountains. Summer is officially here, folks. It is hot outside. I guess I'm gonna have to start going up into the mountains or something on the weekends to escape the heat. But that's gonna be it for this weekend. I gotta go start making this video. The sun is still out, but it is like almost 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna go make this video, go buy some lunch food for during the week, and then that's it. Croissant! Okay guys, before I end this video, I'm gonna travel back in time a little bit. So I bought a plane last week. This is it. The cowling is sitting right there because I have to fix a cable on it. But as you can see, it says Cardinal Cavalier on the side, which is pretty stupid. So I need to put a pole up here
and you guys need to vote on what I should name this plane. So far, I put out a little thing on Instagram, and the most popular votes are the Krusty Duster, Sulla Plane, similar to Sullivan, but not as clever, I guess, and Air Force Sull, or Sull Force One, either one of those. So go ahead and vote in the little poll, and also if you have any other good suggestions on what I should name it, then leave a comment below, and I'll be picking the best one and renaming this plane.